Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering toxins from our blood, with healthy kidneys processing about half a cup of blood every minute. Did you know that kidney damage is mostly irreversible, especially in chronic cases? Once your kidneys are damaged, there's usually no going back. If left untreated, this damage can progress to kidney failure, requiring dialysis or even a kidney transplant for survival. Shockingly, about 1 in 3 people with seriously weakened kidney function, yet not on dialysis, are unaware they have kidney disease due to vague symptoms. So, preventive steps are essential before it's too late. Surprisingly, some everyday foods we consume can silently harm our kidneys. In this article, we will discuss 6 common foods that could slowly damage our kidneys over time. Some of these might shock you. We will also share tips for consuming these foods carefully to protect your kidneys. 6. Spinach. Spinach has long been touted as a superfood, rich in vitamins and minerals. However, it is also high in oxalate, a compound known to contribute to kidney stones and other kidney issues. A 100-gram serving of spinach can contain up to 1,260 mg of oxalate, significantly higher than many other leafy greens. Excessive oxalate intake can lead to kidney stones, bladder stones, and even more severe conditions like kidney nephropathy. For individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, managing potassium intake is crucial. Spinach is also rich in potassium, with 100 grams of raw spinach containing as much as 558 mg of potassium. The National Kidney Foundation recommends that CKD patients limit their potassium intake to 2,000 mg daily. Therefore, consuming spinach in moderation is essential. Pair spinach with lower oxalate and potassium veggies like kale, carrots, zucchini, lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower to enjoy its benefits without overloading your kidneys. 5. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are nutritious, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, they are also high in potassium, which can be problematic for people with kidney disease. A regular baked potato contains about 610 mg of potassium, while a sweet potato of similar size has around 438 mg. One effective way to reduce the potassium content in potatoes is to soak them in water before cooking. This simple method can help make them safer for kidney health. However, popular snacks like French fries and potato chips are high in sodium, adding extra strain on the kidneys. These processed potato snacks offer little nutritional value and are best avoided. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. 4. Rice is a staple in many diets worldwide, but it can carry a toxic surprise: high levels of arsenic. Arsenic is a heavy metal that can directly damage the kidneys, leading to acute renal failure and chronic renal insufficiency. Inorganic arsenic, the more harmful form, is found in higher concentrations in rice compared to other grains like wheat and barley. It's not necessary to eliminate rice from your diet entirely. Moderation is key. Adults can enjoy rice occasionally, but it's best to limit its intake, especially for infants and children who can absorb more arsenic relative to their body weight. For safer alternatives, consider low arsenic grains like quinoa, barley, couscous, buckwheat, millet, farro, and sorghum. 3. Butter. Butter, a dairy product high in saturated fat and cholesterol, can contribute to high blood pressure and plaque formation in blood vessels. This can strain the kidneys and impair their function over time. Additionally, salted butter contains significant amounts of sodium, further exacerbating kidney problems. Store-bought butter is often heavily processed, stripping it of vital nutrients. Opting for organic, unsalted butter can support kidney health better, but moderation is still crucial. Consider using healthier fats like olive oil or avocado oil in your cooking to reduce the intake of saturated fats and sodium. 2. Sodas are loaded with sugar, and consuming sugar in liquid form is particularly harmful. High blood sugar can lead to kidney damage, especially in individuals with diabetes. The tiny filters in the kidneys, called nephrons, can be damaged by high blood sugar, making it difficult for the kidneys to function properly. Even diet sodas, often considered a healthier option, contain additives and artificial sweeteners that can harm the kidneys. Sodas also have high phosphorus additives, which can be absorbed more readily than natural phosphorus, putting additional stress on the kidneys. Limiting soda intake and choosing healthier beverage options like water or herbal teas can significantly benefit kidney health. 1. Dried fruits. Dried fruits are nutrient-dense and convenient for snacking, but they are also high in potassium, sugar, and calories, which can be detrimental to kidney health. For example, 1 cup of pitted, uncooked prunes contains 1,270 mg of potassium, which is more than half of the recommended daily intake for someone with CKD. Additionally, many dried fruits contain added sugars and preservatives to enhance flavor, adding extra stress on the kidneys. It's easy to overeat dried fruits, leading to excessive calorie and potassium intake. Fresh fruits are a better option for a kidney-friendly diet. Curious about the foods that can supercharge your life and fuel your body with vitality? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home Nutrit, and join me on a quest to explore the wonders of nutrition for a healthier, happier you. If you like this video, comment "Great" to encourage us. By the way, we have a special offer for you. If you want to dive even deeper into understanding kidney health, we've got something just for you. Check out the link in the description below for a free in-depth ebook on kidney health. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney disease. Don't miss out on this valuable resource. Your kidneys will thank you. To maintain healthy kidneys, it's essential to be mindful of your diet and avoid or moderate the intake of certain foods. Spinach, potatoes, rice, butter, soda, and dried fruits can all contribute to kidney damage if consumed in excess. By making informed dietary choices, you can protect your kidneys and overall health.